Now I'm going to test the high availability. To simulate that, I'm going to shut down Hyper-V 3. A virtual machine is already running Hyper-V 3. I'm going to do a graceful shutdown, which means the virtual machine will have enough time to migrate to another server. Then the server will be shut down. So it's not an unplanned failover, it's a planned one. But it is the action is taken. As you can see, the action was taken by the failover cluster. It decided to move the machine to Hyper-V 2, then Hyper-V 3 got off. That's how the graceful shutdown behavior in a failover cluster. There are other cases. For example, it just got powered off. Then the virtual machine will be started in one of the node, but it will be like a restart. It will not be a live migration because the server didn't get enough time to pass the memory, pass the state of the virtual machine to the next hypervisor.